This is the last time we're doing off-roading, okay? This is my grandpa's car, and I don't even know if he can even manage the first hill. And you wanted this to be a date. Don't understand why. Oh, this car also needs gas. Come on, you piece of shit. Come on. Come on, baby. One more time. Come on. Come on. Come on, please. Come on, please, please, please. Come on up the hill. Come on. Yes, we did it. Okay. Oh my god, doesn't have any suspension. We may want to slow down for a bit. Oh no, I did at the worst timing. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Please start. Please, baby, please. Come on, please, start for me, come on. Please don't leave me, please, I need your help. Oh my god, my grandpa's gonna be so mad. Come on, get up the hill. Come on, no, come on. Look what you made me do. Let's drive a little bit in reverse, shall we? Come on, up the hill, come on. Did you like that? I'm so proud of myself. You want me to stop? Why? Oh, is that why? No, I'm not gonna stop. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't let me down. Come on. Let's get you home. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Let's go this way. You wanted all the tracks, so we're off the tracks, okay? I don't know where we're going, okay? So please stop talking to me for a minute. Of course it's a dead end. Your GPS sucks. Oh, come on, please no, please no. Please don't die on me, come on. Thank you, thank you. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, come on, you died on me. Come on, please don't die on me. Oh, you stupid car. I'll tell you when you're dead. Come on, you stupid car, get up here, come on. Let's go back to the number of 8. I told you, I know some tricks up my sleeve. See, I'm getting better by the day. Who knew? Oh, come on, no, come on. Oh, you piece of shit, I'm so sorry. The fun ends now. Bye.